episode of the Ducati World Premiere Web Series 2023 was presented new Multistrada V4 Rally, that is aimed at lovers of long journeys. The main change in this version lies in the adoption of Skyhook DSS Evo semi-active suspension, the travel of which is increased to 200 mm to increase ground clearance. The electronics provide an auto-leveling function which makes it possible to maintain a constant attitude. Improving behavior on tracks and paths also involves the adoption of lightened spoke rims, reinforced engine protection or even wider footrests with a more marked profile and equipped with a removable rubber insert. The aluminum tank swells its capacity to now reach 30 liters. Ducati also promises to increase comfort thanks to a series of evolutions which benefit both the rider and the passenger with, for example, a screen 40 mm higher and 20 mm wider, an elongated rear and a rear buckle to offer more space to the passenger who also inherits new footrests. The bike also incorporates the minimum preload function of the Multistrada V4S, which allows the bike to be lowered when stationary and at low speed to facilitate descents and maneuvers. The Rally also gains an easy lift feature that opens the suspension hydraulics when moving off to reduce the effort required to raise the side stand. A center stand is also standard. The assistance does not stop there since we find the ACC adaptive cruise control, the BSD blind spot detection, the DCL curve lighting, the DWC anti-wheeling and the DTC traction control. Everything is driven by the inertial EMO platform and can be controlled from the 6.5-inch color TFT screen, which is also compatible with the Ducati Connect app. The V4 Gran Turismo 1158 cubic centimeters engine remains the one we know and still delivers 170 horsepower at 10,750 rpm and 121 Nm at 8,750 rpm. It is accompanied here by 4 sport, touring, urban and enduro riding modes. The latter activates a specific power mode which limits the engine to 115 horsepower with a very direct response and also adjusts the suspension settings to off-road, lowers the traction control to the minimum level, deactivates the anti-wheeling as well as the ABS on the rear brake. In addition to the automatic deactivation of the 2 rear cylinders at idle, the Rally introduces a new management allowing prolonged deactivation of these cylinders. The choice is possible on all driving modes and is primarily intended to reduce fuel consumption and emissions. In addition, the cylinders are automatically reactivated from a certain demand for power or according to the speed reached. 3 versions of the Multistrada V4 Rally are offered, influencing the standard equipment level. We find first of all the Adventure Radar, with the ACC and the BSD, the Adventure Travel and Radar, which adds aluminum side cases, heated handles and saddles, and finally Full Adventure, which completes this package with a silencer Acropovic and a carbon front fender. The Ducati Multistrada V4 Rally will arrive in dealerships from February 2023 in 2 colors, red and aluminium, matte black. The price starts from €30,100.